To celebrate me reaching 365 days of learning French on Duolingo, they sent me my dream gift. You know how YouTube sends the YouTuber Creator Awards for reaching a specific or a certain amount of subscriber milestones? Voila. Except they didn't. And I decided to get this gift for myself. Although it would be great if Duolingo did do that now, wouldn't it? Because I think it's just, can you imagine 365 days, a whole year, Duolingo has been a part of my daily life? I think they should definitely do something of some sort like this, a certificate for reaching when you reach a certain streak, because I think it's a huge achievement. It takes a lot of discipline, and I know some people who have like 756 day streaks, and that is crazy. An amazing idea for Duolingo to implement. And it's been really hard to keep this unboxed for the past 3-4 days. So let's unbox this together and you shall see what this is. And this is something I've been wanting for a really, really long time. Actually, about a year. So kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Let's do it like this. I just ripped this part, but I didn't open the actual gift yet. So let's do it. How gorgeous. Okay, all the papers. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! You probably still don't know what this is, but this is something amazing. All right. This is the perfume I've been wanting for over a year, like I said. It's the Queer Zerzura from Armani Privé. This smells like heaven. I am a sucker for perfume. I love fragrance, but especially niche fragrances, and this is something I do not have in my collection. Like nothing is similar to this scent, and I'm so excited. Shall we open this? Yes, we shall. This is a dream come true. Thank you, Duolingo. It's gorgeous. It's pretty heavy and so beautiful. Beautiful is this box. Okay. Voila. When I say this has been on my wish list, I really do mean it. Oh my god. This is 100 ml Queer Zerzura. And the box is definitely a keeper. Let's just appreciate the beauty. The bottle, or should I say work of art? Okay, let's smell this. I've been waiting for this moment to spray this so I can remind myself what it smells like. Because like I said, I've been holding back unboxing it because I wanted to do it on camera. I wish you could smell this right now. So the way I would describe the smell is leathery. There is a little bit of mandarin, a little bit of vanilla. So it's kind of floral, leather, but not too fresh. This is more like night. It's really hard to describe. I love oud, I love musk, I love tobacco kind of smells and fragrance. Heaven in a bottle. I believe this is what paradise would smell like. I'm so happy. Divine. Wouldn't it actually be nice if Duolingo did something like that? I don't know, send some gifts when you reach upon like gift cards maybe to keep people motivated, because we all need some stimuli. And this is also, I think, a good idea just to treat yourself more often. Even if you do when you reach some big milestones, I think every achievement you just need to celebrate, because life is so short, and we just need to use any opportunity we have to celebrate. That's why I celebrate every single celebration there is, because why not? If there's a reason to celebrate something, just do it. And yes, by the way, if you've been doing Duolingo, have you realized how weird the icon is? In the beginning, I thought it was me. I was slacking off a bit, and it was because of that the owl was very sad. But apparently, everyone has that icon right now, and even as their Instagram profile pic. And then it dawned on me, it's actually a genius marketing trick. Everyone is questioning why the owl looks very exhausted, and that was the whole point. Everyone thought that it was because of their poor progress or something, and kind of brought back the activity in the app, which I thought was so genius. But if they did something like this, as sending some cool stuff, gifts, I don't know, congratulating people, I think it would be a nice gesture. I just really wanted to share this unboxing, this little treat I got for myself, to remind you to treat yourself. It motivates you to work even harder. Take this as a sign and go get yourself something you've been wanting for a really, really long time.